It is a myth that bulls hate red. In fact, bulls are colorblind to red. They can only see yellow, green, and blue. The reason why bulls charge at matadors' red capes is not because of the color, but because of the movement of the cape. The cape's movement is seen as a threat by the bull, and it triggers their fight or flight response. There have been several experiments that have shown that bulls do not react differently to red capes than they do to capes of other colors. In one experiment, bulls were presented with a variety of colored capes, including red, blue, and white. The bulls charged at all of the capes equally, regardless of color. Another experiment involved blindfolding bulls and then presenting them with red capes. The bulls still charged at the capes, even though they could not see them. This suggests that the color of the cape is not the primary factor that triggers a bull's attack. So, the next time you see a bullfight, don't think that the bull is charging at the red cape because it hates the color. It's actually charging at the cape because it sees the movement as a threat. The myth that bulls hate red may have originated from the fact that bulls are more likely to charge at objects that are moving towards them. This is because bulls are prey animals, and they are naturally wary of anything that they perceive as a threat. The red cape, with its sudden movements, can trigger this fear response in bulls. However, it is important to remember that the color red is not the only factor that can trigger a bull's attack. Bulls can also be provoked by other factors, such as noise, sudden movements, or even the smell of blood. So, if you ever find yourself in a situation where you are near a bull, it is best to be cautious and avoid making any sudden movements.